Hey there, business owners, entrepreneurs, and freelancers. Nishi here with another fast and exciting social media marketing tip for you today. This week, I want to talk about Instagram. Now, Instagram's been around for a couple of years, of course, and it started out as a very simple to use and basic app on your phone. And for the most part, it hasn't really changed all that much. Except now there's a billion users worldwide, and half of those users use it every single day. Another important statistic that I want to bring up is that 72% of Instagram users say that they have bought a product that they saw on Instagram. So if you're a business owner and you're not using Instagram to promote your business, why not? You really need to be on there. Now, like I said before, it's a very simple and basic app, and it doesn't do too many wild things, and the simplicity of it kind of throws a lot of business owners off, I've noticed. But the thing is, you can make full use of this app and get a lot out of it. Even by doing a couple of things that might seem sort of gimmicky and showy at first, if you use them strategically, you can actually get a lot out of Instagram and improve your return on your investment on Instagram. So for instance, your bio page has a sort of grid, like these tiles where all your posts show up on one page. And you can make use of that grid by using something called a pic splitter to break up a big image into little images or to create patterns with that grid. And even though, like I said, that seems kind of frivolous and gimmicky, it's actually a really effective way to get people's attention on Instagram. So you might want to look into that. Another thing you might want to do is use emojis. I know, again, it seems sort of fun and frivolous, but that's, fun is sort of the game with Instagram. And if you use emojis strategically, you're actually, expressing yourself a little bit better. And, maybe you want to say something funny and it just comes across as more of having a sense of humor. Sometimes humor gets a little bit lost in text. So you don't be afraid to use emojis. It actually does a lot to build rapport with your audience and sort of get your message across better. So just use them strategically and, not too much, but not too little either. And the other thing you might want to think about is using clickable links. You only get one clickable link on Instagram. It's in your profile page. So you want to be very strategic if you're doing something like posting links to articles or posting a link to your blog, for instance. You want to be really careful how you drive traffic from each and every single Instagram post to your bio page where that very precious clickable link is. So again, Instagram is very simple to use, but there's a lot of nuances that you should be aware of. And, make use of these little fun games and strategies that people do on Instagram because they actually go a long way on something that could otherwise be very basic. So I hope you found that useful. If you did, please subscribe. I put out tons of free tricks and tips for social media marketers. Until next time, take care.